Hey guys, this is Erica. In this video, let's add data sources for a data stream. Today, let's create an RFM analysis to predict customer behaviors. To make the RFM analysis, we need the customer and order details, such as the customer name, customer type, order amount, etc. Click the Input node and select a necessary data source. Tick the necessary fields and save. As we are still missing data for the customer types, we will need to add one more data source. Drag and drop to add another input node. Choose the customer form. Select the customer number and type fields. Here, customer type fields contain the data we need, and the customer number field helps us identify the data and link it to the correct customer. When you are dealing with multiple data sources, it's essential to identify the fields that contain the information you need. This could be things like customer names, order details, or product IDs. But that's not all. You also need to think about the connection fields. These are like the glue that holds your data together. They help you combine information from different sources into a single coherent data set. So remember, when you are adding more than one data source, make sure you are selecting the fields that contain the information you need, and don't forget those connection fields. That's all for this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. This is Erica. Thank you for watching. See you next time.